sit, stand, jump, walk, run, play, talk, cry, clap, ride, surf, ski, hide, swim, build, cut, wash, drop, roll, hit, open, push, pull, kick, catch, laugh, climb, read, write, sing, paint, draw, dance, throw, crawl, buy, sell, listen, smell, brush, press, cook, taste, drink, eat, cough, sneeze, yawn, hug, sleep.